Namaste, my dear children. I welcome you to the Learning Maths through Videos sessions. This video is made for Class 3 Maths Chapter 1 Numbers. And topic of this video is place value, face value and expanded form. In this video, you will learn the meanings of the terms place value, face value and expanded form. You will learn to write the expanded form of 4-digit numbers and finding place value and face value of 4-digit numbers. Come on, let us begin. To find place value, face value and to write expanded form, we consider 4-digit numbers in this chapter. Since the chapter is the numbers and the number names from 1001 to 10,000, therefore any number between 1001 and 10,000 is a 4-digit number. Therefore, in our discussion, we consider 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The place names in a 4-digit number are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. These are the place names we need to find place value of each digit in a 4-digit number. The place value of 0 is always 0, irrespective of its position in a number. A 4-digit number cannot have 0 in the thousands place. If at all there is a 0 in thousands place of a 4-digit number, the number is just a 3-digit number, since the 0 in thousands place do not have any value. Therefore, the number turns out to be just a 3-digit number. Let us understand the meaning of expanded form of a number. Expressing a number as the sum of place values of each digit of the number is called the expanded form of the number. Let us take a few examples to understand the expanded form of a number. Example 1. Write the expanded form of the number. A number is given which is a 4-digit number formed by the digits 4, 5, 6 and 2. The expanded form of the number, the given number, is written as the given number is equal to 4 followed by 3 zeros plus 5 followed by 2 zeros plus 6 followed by 1 zero plus 2. Here in the given number there are 4 digits and we are familiar about the place names of a 4-digit number that we discussed in the beginning of this session. The digit 2 is in 1's place. The digit 6 is in 10's place. The digit 5 is in 100's place. The digit 4 is in 1000's place. Therefore, in the expanded form of this number, since 4 is in 1000's place, so the term corresponding to the digit 4 is 4000. We will put a plus symbol to separate the place values of each digit. Here the digit 5 is in 100's place, so we will write 500 here, and after that we will put a plus sign. The digit 6 is in 10's place, that means 6 tens are there in the number. 6 tens is equal to 60. So we will write 60 here, and we will put a plus mark, and the digit 2 is in 1's place. 2 ones is equal to 2. We will write 2 here. Meaning of this statement is, if you add these numbers, that is 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 2, you will get this number again. So if these numbers are added, you will get the given number. So this is how a given number can be written in expanded form. Let us take few more examples. Different kind of examples.8 number 2. Write the expanded form of the number formed by the digits 8090. Solution. The expanded form of the number 8090 is written as the given number is equal to 8 followed by 3 zeros plus a 0 plus 9 followed by 1 0 plus 0. In the given number, this 0 is in 1's place, 9 is in 10's place, 0 is in 100's place, and 8 is in 1000's place. So while writing expanded form, the first term is corresponding to the digit 8 here, which is in thousands place. Therefore, the first term is 8000. 8000 is equal to 8000. And we have 0 here in 100's place. So we will put a plus sign and write 0. 0 hundreds is 0. Plus 9. 9 is in 10's place. 9 tens is equal to 90. So we will write 90 here as third term in the expanded form. And 0 here is in 1's place. 0 ones is 0. So we will write 0 here. So this is how we should write the expanded form of such numbers in which few digits are zeros. So wherever there are zeros, we should retain the zeros in the expanded form also. Now let us understand the meanings of place value and face value. Place value is the value of each digit in a number. Place value of a digit in a number depends on its position in the number. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟಿನ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೈನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. Face value. Face value of any digit in a number is the digit itself. ಅಂದ್ರೆ face value of a digit, ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟಿನ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Face value of a digit in a number does not depend on its position in the number. ಅಂದರೆ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟಿನ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಅದು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಆದರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟಿನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This is very important thing you should understand and remember. Place value depends on the place or position of the digit in a number. Face value ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಅಂಕಿಯ ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಅಂಕಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬೆಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದರ ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದರ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. Let us take some examples to find place value and face values of the digits in a number. Example number 1. Find the place value and face value of each digit in the number formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 4-digit number. Later let us know what is the name of this number. Solution. We can find the place values of the digits in a number by writing it in the expanded form. So we learned the way of writing the expanded form of a given number in today's session. And now we will find the place value by writing the number in expanded form. The given number is equal to 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4. Here in the given number, 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, and 1 is in thousands place. Therefore, in the expanded form of the number, the term corresponding to the digit 1 is 1000. Since it is in thousands place, 1000 is the first term. and 2 is in hundreds place, and 2 hundreds is equal to 200. Therefore the second term is 200 here, and 3 is in tens place, and 3 tens is equal to 30. The third term in the expanded form is 30. 4 is in ones place, and 4 ones is equal to 4. The fourth term in the expanded form of the given number is 4. So 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4. This is the expanded form of the given number, and the number written in this form is called standard form of the number. Remember the names. So when the digits are written one beside the other to form a number, and that form of the number is called standard form, and when the place values are written, place values of each digits are written with the plus sign between, and this form of the number is called expanded form. We can write the number name once we write the number in expanded form. So once we have written the number in expanded form, looking at the expanded form, we can write the number name. Let us see how we will write the number name. The number name of the given number is 1234. So number name can be easily written by looking at the expanded form. So if you know how to write expanded form of a given number, looking at the expanded form, you can write the number name. See here, excluding plus. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ it is 1234. So ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ that will be the number name of the given number. See here, 1234. So looking at the expanded form of a number, you can write number name of the given number. So the number in the expanded form. So now we will write the place values and face values of each digit in the given number. Place value of 1 in the number, in the given number 1234 is 1000. So 1 is here in thousands place, and the corresponding term in the expanded form is 1000. So look at these two to write the place values. Place value of 1 in the given number is 1000. So we should find the place values and write like this. Place value of 2 in the number 1234 is 200. So again, look at the expanded form of the given number. The digit 2 is here, which is in hundreds place, and the corresponding term in expanded form is 200. So therefore, looking at these two, you can write place value. Place value of 2 in the given number is 200. Place value of 3 in the number 1234 is 30. So 3, the digit 3 is here in tens place. The corresponding term in the expanded form is 30. Looking at these two, you can write the place value that is shown here. Place value of 3 is 30. In this number, remember, place value of 3 is not 30 in all numbers, since the place value depends on the position of the digit. So if the digit in a given number is at tens place, then only the place value of 3 will be 30. At different places, the place value of 3 will be different. Place value of 4 in the number 1234 is 4. So place value of 4 here is 4 since it is in ones place. So since the place value of a digit depends on position in a number, for that reason I am writing this number while writing place values of each digit. So this is how you should write place values of each digit of a given number. Now let us see the face values of each digits. Face value of 1 is 1, face value of 2 is 2, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 4 is 4. So the face values of each digit in any number, whatever the position of the digit in the number, the face value is always the value of the digit. Remember this. Place values of the digits of a number can also be represented pictorially as shown here. The place values can be represented in terms of a picture. Let us see how it is represented. The given number is written here 1234. Here 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, and 1 is in thousands place. Therefore the place value of 1 is 1000 written here, place value of 2 is 200, place value of 3 is 30, place value of 4 is 4. So place values of each digits can be written in this form also. Let us take one more example. Example number 2. Find the place value and face value of each digit in the number 4221. We can find the place values of the digits in a number by writing it in the expanded form. The expanded form of the given number is written here. It is the given number is equal to 4000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. So here this is the expanded form of the given number, and this is the standard form of the given number. We can also write the number name once we write the number in expanded form. Number name of the given number is 4321. Looking at the expanded form, excluding these plus sign, ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ that gives us number name 4321. 4321. So this is the number name of the given number. So after writing the number in expanded form and learning how to write the number name, now we will find place values of each digit of the given number. Place value of 4 in the number 4321 is 4000. Look here, 4 is here in thousands place. The corresponding term in the expanded form is 4000. Therefore place value of 4 is 4000. Place value of 3 in the number 4321 is 300. So place value of 3 is 300. Look at the digit and the corresponding term in the expanded form. That will give you place value. Next, place value of 2 in the number 4321 is 20. Look at the digit here. 2 is in tens place. 2 tens is equal to 20. 20 is written here. Therefore, place value of 2 in this number is 20. Place value of 1 in the number 4321 is 1. So 1 is here in one's place and its place value is 1. Now we will write the face values of each digits. So face value of 4 is 4. 4 is here and face value of 4 is 4. Also we understood that face value do not depend on the position. So no need to look at the position of the digit in the number or expanded form to write the face values. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 1 is 1. Now let us write the place values of the digits of a number pictorially as we did earlier. So in the given number 4321, the digit 1 is in ones place, the digit 2 is in tens place, the digit 3 is in hundreds place, the digit 4 is in thousands place. Therefore, the place value of 4 is 4000, place value of 3 is 300, place value of 2 is 20, place value of 1 is 1. So, place values of the digits of a given number can also be written in this form also. From the above two examples, we notice that the numbers 1234 and 4321 have the same digits, but the order of the digits is different. So the numbers are different. Hence, the place values of the digits are different. So in the above two examples, the numbers considered are 1234 and 4321. So both of these numbers are formed by same digits, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. But their positions are different. Here the digits are in reverse order with respect to the first number in the first example. So let us see how the place values will be different for a given digit in two different numbers. So for example, the place value of 3 in 1234 is 30, which was in the first example, example number 1. So place value of 3 in example 1 was 30 and the place value of 3 in the second example, that is in the number 4321 is 300. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ digit 3 ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರ place value ಮೊದಲನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಎರಡನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನ place value 300 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ place value ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟಿನ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 3 is 30 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 3 ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, 300 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೆ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ದ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 3 in 1234 and 4321 is just 3. In both the examples, the face value of 3 is just 3. Face value 3 ನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. By reading the number name of a number, we can write the expanded form and standard form of the number. So there is a table in your textbook, and in that table we have number names on the first column, expanded form in the second column here, and standard form of the number in the third column. You can find this table in your textbook on page number 12. So you should go through this table, understand the ways of writing expanded form and standard form of a number by reading number name. I will show you one or two examples here. I will read, and you have to read all these number names and corresponding expanded forms and standard forms, and then you should copy this table into your classwork. Here the first number name is 5498. The expanded form is, looking at this, we can write 5000, write the number 5000, put a plus symbol, and then write 400, write 400, 400 plus 98 plus 9, write 90, put a plus sign and write 8. So this is the expanded form of a number. Looking at the number name, you can write expanded form of the number like this. After writing expanded form, you can write the standard form also. So 5498. So 5 is in thousands place, write 5 here, and 400 means 4 is in hundreds place, so we should write 4 in hundreds place. 98, 9 is in tens place, and 8 is in ones place. So like this we can write the standard form of the number. Similarly, the number names and expanded forms are given here, and go through these and copy this table into your classwork. So I hope you understood today's discussion. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.